Yeah, hi. Hi. So yesterday we discussed about customer master data, right? We discussed about different segments that we have in customer master data, which is the general data, company code data, and sales area data, right? So just a quick recap of yesterday's discussion. So yesterday we have discussed about data, master data. In data, we have three types of data: master data, transactional data, and customizing data. And in master data, again, we have different types of master data. In terms of SAP SD, we have five types of master data. So, which is customer master data, which is the main master data that we handle, and then material master data. We also deal with material master data and vendor master data and customer material info data. This is actually customer material info record. This is a separate. This is another um, separate master data. We will discuss about the CMIR in future classes, and we have the condition master data, which is also the pricing master data. All right. And then in customer master data, in customer master, we have three segments, which is the general data, company code data, and the sales area data. In general data, we will maintain all the customers' general information like name, address, and all. In company code data, we will maintain all the financial data, like the bank account and payment terms. All this will be maintained in the company code data. And sales area data, we will maintain all the sales relevant information like sales organization and the sales area and so all the sales relevant data will be maintained in the sales area. Okay, so today we are going to discuss about a very important concept called customer account groups. So before we create a customer master, there are some prerequisites that we need to create. We need to create customer account groups. We need to create number ranges, and we need to assign this customer account groups to number ranges. Okay, and then we have to do partner determination procedure, which is also a very important concept in SAP SD. So we have to do these configurations, only then we'll be able to create a customer. Okay, so let's go and see how do we uh, create an account group, customer account group. The customer account group, uh, you can find customer account groups in the following path: SPRO, SAP reference ING. So under SAP reference ING, you have to go to financial accounting. Let me click on this: additional information, display, and then attributes. So financial accounting, sorry, not this, financial accounting new. Under this, we have to go to financial accounting global settings. Sorry, account receivables and payables. And under this, we will have to drill down customer accounts. So under this, we have to drill down master data. And under master data, we have the preparations for creating customer master, the first option. We have to expand this option. So in this, you can find so many screens, so many options. So the first one is the define account groups with screen layout. We have two options here. We can create account groups with screen layout. Also, we can define the screen layout per company code. This is another configuration. I'll tell you about this screen layout concept later. So we can create customer account groups here. So basically, what is a customer account group? Okay, so customer account group is the segment of the customer master data. Like we have data. Okay, under data we have so three types of data: master data, transactional data, and customizing data. Likewise, in master data, again we have so many types of master data. So under customer master, again we have three types of, I mean, three segments: the general data, company code data, and sales area data, right? So again, if you want to segregate your customer master data to identify your customers, Okay, so we will create customer account groups. Customer account groups will allow you to identify your customers. Suppose if you are having multiple customers from different verticals and from different parts of the world, then we can create domestic customer account group and international customer account group. The reason why we have to create customer account groups is, so for these customer account groups we will assign number ranges. So we will discuss about number ranges concept today. So based on the customer account group, system will identify the number range, and then it will allot the customer number. So every time we create a customer, SAP system will generate a new number to the customer. So how does it identify whether this customer is a domestic customer or a international customer? It identifies that using this account groups, the customer account groups. Okay. So to create a customer account group, the path is SPRO, financial accounting new. I will update this path later. Um, Financial accounting new, accounts receivable and payable. Financial accounting new, under this account receivables and payables. So under this, you have to go to customer accounts. Anyway, I'll update this path and I'll send you. I will anyway. I have to send you this document, right? So when I send you this document, I'll update this path. The T code for this customer account group, to define customer account group, is OBD2. Okay, so customer account groups, OBD2 is the T code. So to define a customer account group, you need to click on this execute button, and then here you have to click on new entries. So before we create, we will check what entries we have. We can create with anything, but then just to identify that it's just to identify our entries, I'm creating all elements with P only, starting with P, just to identify. So with P, we can create P100, P200, and P300. We'll create like this. Okay. So account group is P100. So this is customer account group, um, domestic customer account group. Okay. We are creating a customer account group for domestic customers. So all domestic customers, all local customers will be created with this. All local customers will be created with one sequence number, and all international customers will be created with another sequence number. Okay, so as I explained you about the segments that we have in master data, customer master data, the general data, company code data, and sales area data, the same segments you can see here: general data, company code data, and sales area data. If you double click on this general data, so these are the different tabs that are there in the customer master data. When we create a customer, I'll show you all these tabs. So if you double click on this address, again you can see these are the fields that are there under the tab. Okay, under address, these are all the fields that we have. So here there are four options. This is very important in terms of interviews. They'll be asking you this question. So how do we hide a field in a customer master data? If we have to hide a field, what do we do? So this is what we have to do. You can click whatever fields that you don't want, you can click on suppress. For example, in our case, we need name, form of address is not required, state, district, region, per this transportation zone is not required, tax tax jurisdiction this is not required, and this is not required, street 2 is not required. So all those fields that we don't need, we can suppress. We can click on suppress is to hide all the fields. Required entry is mandatory. So here name and um, the postal code is mandatory, let's say, for example. So if you select mandate required entry, these fields will be mandatory fields, and without giving any entry in these fields, you won't be able to proceed further. Okay, I also you won't be able to save the data. Optional entry is free text. You can either enter data in this field or you can leave it. Display is once you enter data, again you will not be able to change the data. I will show you an example for this right now. So let me go back. And then company code data, if you double click on this. So we have 5 different tabs under company code data. So if you double click on this, you can see all these fields that are there under account management. These are all these fields are financial FICO and financial accounting, company code relevant data, financial accounting data, the reconciliation account, and all this. So all this in real time, all these details, all these fields will be maintained by your FICO consultant. Payment terms and all the company code data will be there in this uh, fields. And then if you double click on this sales area, we have 5 different tabs: sales, shipping, billing, partner usage, and documents. So under sales, we have sales group, statistics group, customer group, and sales district, pricing procedure, pricing group. All these are the fields that we have under sales. So go back and double click on shipping. So under shipping, these are the fields that we have that these are the fields that we have to maintain. So shipping conditions and proof of delivery relevance, transportation zone, all very important shipping details will have can be maintained there. And billing details, these are all the billing relevant information. And partner usage, here we can see the business partner assignment. So once we do the partner determination, we can uh, see the partner determination in this tab. So when we create customer master, I'll show you all those fields one by one. Okay, so I'm saving this. So here we will create a new request. So PE010. Okay, I've saved this. Let me update the Excel sheet as well. Okay. Next, we will create an international customer. Same process. Click on new entries. This is P200, and then here we maintain it as international customer. The reason why I'm maintaining this company code everywhere is to identify that these entries are us, because this is a practice system. We will have so many entries, and everybody will be saving with the same information. I mean, with the same names: international customer, domestic customer, like that. That is the reason I'm maintaining the company code. Beside that, you don't have to do it. You can actually save with whatever name you want. Okay, and save it. So it is saved. So we created domestic customer and international customer account group, domestic customer account group, international customer account group. So one more customer account group is there, which is the one-time customer account group. So if you don't want to save more details, or if you want to create, if a customer is only a one-time customer, he will not do business with you repeatedly. So in such scenarios, we can maintain a one-time customer account. So So to maintain a customer one-time customer account, you have to enable this. I will tell you about this output determination procedure later. So we'll discuss about this later. This is in future classes. I'll tell you about this. And then if you go to the general data, you will see the same tabs, whatever you have seen in the um, domestic and international. Only difference is that for one-time customer, for one-time customers, we will not enter more details. We will just enter some basic details and then we will save it. Okay, so I'm saving it. So we have created three account groups, right? Now let me go back. So we have created three account groups. Now what we have to do is like we have to define number ranges. So number ranges are sequence numbers. So for example, if I create a number range A1 and then the range I gave is from 100 to 199. Okay. So every time I create a customer, first when I create a customer, the first entry when I create a customer, system will automatically allocate this 100 number to that customer number, that to that customer. So I mean the system creates a customer with a number starting from 100. So next time when I create a customer, so automatically system will allow a number like this 101 till where it will allow till 199 we can create 100 to 199, 99 entries are there, right? So we can create 99 records, we can create 99 customers with this number range. So after this 199 again you have to create a new number range b1 and then you have to allocate the you need to allocate the next number sequence. Okay, so like this is what number range is. So under number ranges we have two types of number ranges, internal number range and external number range. So internal number ranges are system defined. When you create internal number range, we have two types of number ranges, internal number range and external number range. So internal number range, in the previous example, what I told you, if you have created a number range called A1 and you have allocated, this is the number range that you have allocated 100 to 199. System will create 99 records in a sequential manner. Okay, automatically every time you create a customer, it will automatically create a number range. I mean, sorry, it will automatically create a customer number. So if you select external number range, you have to manually maintain these number ranges. Like system will not uh, assign customer account. Sorry, system will not assign customer number. So every time you create a customer, you have to manually give that customer number. Okay, so these external number ranges can be alphanumeric. It's not mandatory that you sorry A1 and then let's say we have created a number range like this B1. So you can create number ranges like this. Let's say A1000 to A199. Okay, we can maintain alphanumeric number ranges. Uh, and also sequentially we have to manually maintain the numbers, the customer numbers. It's not only for customers, for any master data, material master data, customer master data, even for documents when we even for documents which we create, the customer sales order and enquiry document, delivery document, all these documents we have to maintain number ranges. Okay, so we have two types of number ranges, internal number range and external number range. So let me go to this SAP screen. So you need to select this create number range for a customer account group option. This is the option you need to select and the T code is XTN1. Okay. Step one, actually, this is step one. uh, Anyway, I'll update this. Step one is to define customer account group. Step two is to define number range. Okay, the key code for this is XTN1. So let me show you how do we create number ranges. So create number ranges for customer accounts. So here we have three options. This is display intervals. If you click on this, you can see all the existing intervals. You can only display, you can only see, but you cannot do any editing here. If you click on this pencil mark, this is change intervals. Here we can create number ranges. Okay, this is the status. If you click on this button, it will show you the current running number. So here in this sequence number 10, the range is 6000012 to 60000. See, the current running number is 600005. So they have created 5 records with this number range. And this is a internal number range, meaning every time they create a customer, system will automatically allocate the number, customer account number, or the customer number. So if there is a tick mark here, then it means that it is an external number range. So external number ranges will be like this. It can be only alphabets or it can be alphanumeric also. Excuse me. So let me see what number ranges are available. So before creating number ranges, since this is a practice system, there will be a lot of entries. So you need to check what number ranges are there, and then accordingly you have to create. Because if there is any existing range, or if there is any clash between the numbers, there will be an overlap issue. Again, you have to check what type. You need to check and create accordingly. So okay, let's use this. So to create a number range, you need to click on this interval option. Okay, give the number range. I'm creating something like P1, and the number range will be 2000 to double zero double zero 19999. So this is the number range I'm creating. So let's see if this can be created or not. Okay, there is no overlap, so we can create. Okay, if you save, number ranges are not included. There will be an overlap issue if there is any issue. So there is no overlap issue, so it is saved. We created with P1, right? Yeah, P1. So this is the number range we have created. So copy this. I will create another number range, P2. Okay, I am creating this number range, P2. Okay, so there is no overlap issue. Next, we will create another number range. First, we need to copy this. I will copy this and then click on intervals. P3, three, 9999. Okay, click on this, click on save. Done. So we have created three number ranges: P1, P2, P1, P2, and P3. Okay, so we have to assign these number ranges to this customer account group now. So to assign number ranges to customer account group, this is the T code OBAR. I will update the path when I send you this document. I'll update this part. So the T code is OBAR to assign number ranges to customer account groups. So click on this. Just like how we have done the enterprise structure, we have to follow the same process. First, we will define something and then we will assign uh, those elements to one and each other. Okay, so that is the basic concept of SAP, basic formula. So here, so let's assign number ranges to customer account group. So click on this execute. Here you need to click on the position and then search for the number range that we, sorry, customer account group that we have created. So for P100, I'm allocating P1. For domestic customer, I have assigned this number range P1. For international customer, I have assigned number range P2. And for one-time customers, I have assigned number range P3. Okay, click on save. Done. So now we have assigned number ranges to customer account groups. Okay, so this is the process in ECC. For S4 HANA, there is a different process. So we need to create business partners. We have to assign, we have to, just like how we have created customer account groups, like that we have to assign, we have to define business partner groups, and then we also have to create number ranges for business partners, and we have to assign all these elements. So in the next in future classes when we talk about S4 HANA, I'll explain you the business partner concept later. Okay, so this is segment one. Like we have different steps, right? So step one is to define customer account group. Step two is to define number ranges. Step three is to assign number ranges to customer account group. Okay, so fourth step is to define partner determination procedure. Partner determination procedure means, uh, just a second. So we'll discuss about partner determination procedure in a bit. Okay, so partner determination procedure. Let's discuss about this partner determination procedure. So basically, what is a procedure? Procedure is a set of instructions or a set of processes that we follow. So the name itself says partner determination procedure means this is a set of processes that we follow. Determination, the meaning of determination is to determine. I mean, the meaning of determination is like we have to um, follow a process. This is a combination of certain steps. In order to achieve something, we are following a process. So the determination procedure works like this. So let's say there is a box. Let me open Paint. So let's say there is a box. So under this box, let's say that this box name, the name of this box is a procedure. For this procedure, we have to name something. So let's say that we named this procedure as sold to party. So if you have to put something under this box, then we will, let's say, so we will put four balls under this box, let's say. So so each ball again have should be having some name, right? So we will name it as sold to party, ship to party, bill to party, and pair. So all these four, these are four different elements under a box called procedure, and the name of the procedure is sold to party. So don't get confused. So here, first of all, we have to create a procedure. Okay, first we are creating a procedure. So under this procedure, let's say the procedure name is sold to party. Under this procedure, sold to party, we will assign partner functions. So under this procedure, we are assigning partner functions. Partner functions are the balls which are there in this box. So the procedure name is sold to party. So under this procedure, we are again placing some elements or assigning some elements. So these elements are nothing but partner functions. So partner functions are again sold to party. Uh, this will be confusing. Partner functions. So procedure and then under this partner function. Okay. So let's say we have a procedure called sold to party. The name of the procedure or the name of the box is sold to party. Under this, we again have sold to party, ship to party, bill to party, okay, and pair. Okay, so I'm repeating this again. So the procedure name is sold to party, and then these uh, elements sold to party, ship to party, bill to party, pair. These are again internal elements which are there under this procedure. Okay, so the process is like this. First, you have to create a procedure, partner procedure to be precise. We need to create a partner procedure. Step one, we will create partner procedure. Next, step two is to assign this partner procedure, partner functions under this. Or assign partner functions to this partner procedure. Step 3 is to assign. We have created customer account groups, right? Just now. So that customer account group, we have to assign it to partner procedure. Next process is to assign. Step 4 is to assign this customer account group to partner functions. So this is how the process is. This entire process is called partner determination procedure. So now let's discuss about these elements sold to party, ship to party, and pair. Sold to party or SP. So who is a sold to party? Let us say that you are uh, ordering something to your friend in Amazon. So sold to party, ship to party, bill to party, and then payer. So in our example, when let's say that you're paying or you're buying something for your friend in Amazon, you are in India and your friend is in US. So in this case, since you are the main customer, you will be the sold to party. Okay, the main actual customer or main customer will be sold to party. Okay, ship to party is the person who will receive the shipment. So in your case, he is your friend, ordering party or ordering customer or your friend. Let's say just friend to whom you are ordering the parcel. So bill to party is the person to whom the invoice will be sent. So in your case, because you are paying the invoice, I mean you are paying the money for that in Amazon, and then you are sending this parcel to your friend in US. So you will be the bill to party to whom the um, invoice will be sent. Invoice party, let's say invoice per party or invoice, whoever is receiving the invoice, so he will be the bill to party. And payer is the person who actually settles the um, money transaction. So in this case, since you're paying money to Amazon through some any bank, so banker whoever, through whichever banker you're paying money to Amazon, that banker will be the payer. Okay, so this is the definition of sold to party, bill to party, ship to party, and payer. Okay, let me go back to SAP. So partner determination procedure, the path for partner determination procedure is SPRO, SAP reference IMG, sales and distribution. Under this basic functions, under this partner determination, under this you have to click this setup partner determination procedure. So set up partner determination for customer master. Okay, you need to click the first option. So this is how the screen looks like. The T code will be, let me select the transaction. Okay, the T code will be VOPAN. Alternatively, you can also go through this screen using this T code VOPAN. See, I came to the same screen. Click on change, and we will come back to the same screen. So as I told you, first, as per our concept, step one is to create a procedure, right? So step one is to create a partner procedure. We will create a partner procedure now. So to create a partner procedure, just click on new entries. Partner procedure is a 4 digits alphanumeric code. I am creating something like this. Okay, sorry, I'm creating something like, it's a 2 digits number, so I'm creating something like this. And then enter, click on save. So each time when you're doing a new configuration, always make a habit to create a distinctive, a unique um, customizing request. So I've created a partner determination procedure called PD. So you need to double click or you need to highlight this and then double click on partner functions. Okay, here click on new entries. We need to assign partner functions here. Partner functions sold to party, ship to party, bill to party. These are default SAP elements. So these will be there in any system by default. Okay, if not, you have to create partner functions first and then you have to do this. process. Ship to party, bill to party, sold to party, ship to party, bill to party, pair. Here there are two important um, configurations. One is the not modifiable setting. One second. Yeah. Uh, so if you expand this, so this option is not modifiable option, and then this is mandatory option. So what is this mandatory option and not modifiable option and mandatory option? So if you are selecting the sold to party as not modifiable, so at the time at the point of sales documents you cannot change this customer, um, and also it is mandatory. Without this you cannot post any sales documents. The other partner functions we will not maintain not modifiable, because the reason why we are doing it, because at the sales order level, the sold to party can be one person, one customer, but the shipping party can be a different customer. Like in our previous scenario, we ordered something in Amazon to a different friend, different party. So whoever is receiving the shipment, he will be shipped to party, and whoever is paying, whoever is receiving the invoice, he will be the bill to party, and uh, whoever is actually settling the amount, he will be the payer. So we can create, I mean, you can create a sales document with four different customers, the same in a single sales document. You can maintain four different customers. That is the reason we maintain this configuration. So click on save. So it is saved. Next option is to assign the account customer to assign customer account group to the partner functions. So double click on this and then click on position. Our account is P100, right? So to this we have to assign the partner determination procedure. So we have created a partner determination, something like this, PD, right? PD and PD. This is step 2. Step 3. So as per the flow, see, we have defined a partner procedure, defined a partner procedure. Next, we assigned partner functions to partner procedure. Next, we assigned the customer account group to partner procedure. Next, we are going to assign customer account group to partner functions. So you need to go to the fourth option. First, save this, and then the fourth option. Just double click on this. Here, you need to click on new entries, and this is the partner function, and this is the account group. In our case, we have four partner functions and three account groups, right? So we have to maintain something like this: SP, sold to party, three account groups, right? P100. Follow the same process, whatever I'm doing. Sold to party, we have nothing. Sorry, sold to party, ship to party, bill to party, and pair. Again, we have to follow the same process. Sold to party. Now to the second account assignment group, P200. Follow the same process. SH. Bill to party. Okay, this is bill to party. And pair. Next for the third assignment group, account as third customer account group, P300, P300, bill to party, P300, and ship to payer, P300. So this is how you have to create. We will have 12 entries. So for each and every partner function, we are assigning the account group, customer account group. So in our case, we have three customer account groups. That's the reason we have assigned like this. So we had 12 entries. If you have four customer account groups, then you have to maintain accordingly. You will have 16 entries. Okay. So click on save. You will have a error here. This is a status bar. In this status bar, if you see this yellow button, this is just a warning. This is not an error. If you click on enter, it will go. Okay. All right. Now we have created like this. Click on save. System got locked up somehow. Okay, so I think this is lost. We have to do it from beginning again. Um, Partner functions, go to party. Where is PD? Okay, PD. Okay, this is there. Okay, this is there. Account assignment group. So we have to do it from beginning again. Okay, this is there. It's there in the system. Okay, so we have done all the prerequisites which are required to create a customer master. So let me show you how to create a customer master. We'll talk about customer master tomorrow, and just you know I will just show you how to create customer master. So before going to that screen, I forgot to show you some fields. So yeah, so in customer master we have three modes: create, change, and display. So for every mode we have different T codes. So to create a customer centrally, we can use this T code XT01. Okay, so to create a customer only with company code data, we can use this T code FT01. So to create a customer with only the sales area data, we use this VD01. These are the customer master tables. This we already I've showed you these tables right yesterday. So these are some of the fields that are there in this KNA1 customer master tables. So you know how to see these tables fields, right? Yesterday we have seen we can use the T code SC16 or SC16N. Also one more T code is there, SC11 ABAP dictionary viewer. using these three codes, we can see this field name. Okay, so this is the customer master screen. I'm creating a customer centrally. Tomorrow again I will tell you this topic just to show you just an introduction. I'm doing this. So this is the customer account group that we have maintained, P100 domestic customer. You don't have to give the customer number because system will automatically determine the customer number. P01, we need to give the sales org all the details. So sales org, click on this. Okay, I think, oh, I forgot to maintain this. Okay, tomorrow we'll see about this tomorrow. I'll tell you about custom master tomorrow. There is also one more configuration that we need to do. We have to create common divisions and common distribution channels. So once we do that, then we'll be able to create customers. Okay, so we'll continue tomorrow.